proxy PM. Kerala proxy PM. Dear strength of political science, applied political science, and unlearning and visioning Kerala XPM. Kerala proxy PM. I have graduated from Patna University, political science. Always read Kerala professors. A.J. Saran book, great professor, A.J. Saran sir. And when I came to Delhi, my roommate, Stanley Salabos from Alapat, Kerala, brilliant student of mathematics from Ramjas College University, colloquial English teacher, teachers of the fan, take off shoe, call him to fluent our speaking English. So Stanley Salabos, lean and true, had become brilliant one, qualified prelims, IS, and fall in love of a beautiful talent. Failed, but he had a passion for. He always used to fight. I am from Patna, he was from Kerala. He always says that India PM is proxy PM of Kerala because Rajiv Gandhi was Prime Minister of India. His wife, Sonia Gandhi, was a Christian, so she had a passion for. She had a soft corner for Kerala Christian. And says I was a Christian. So he always used to fight. I say I am the Prime Minister, he says I am the Prime Minister. So that was the case. And he joined law, and the first South Indian, first Keralite who contested. And what happened? When he was for joint secretary post, he is the first South Indian who won campus law centers for students in joint secretary and won that. He had no chance because here is a different voting pattern. And but being not in majority, but he was Punjabi vote can't be split. Punjabis always vote for Punjabis. Haryanvis goes for Haryanvis. Gujar Jats can be, and Biharis. But what happened when he was campaigning in his lungi and all very thin personality? He was kicked by a beautiful Punjabi. And later on he got a sympathy vote and he won joint secretary, first South Indian to become joint. And not only that, he was his and he won. And he always used to go to Ten Janpath to attack the high command towards him, though he can rise in Kerala. But one Kerala man was defeated in Delhi, the stalwart of BJP was raising Delhi. After that, he had also thinking himself the Prime Minister of India, that if Vajpayee can be defeated, why not I can become the Prime Minister? As Malhotra sir had also defeated Prime Minister candidate Manmohan Singh in Delhi. But defeating in election, highest stalwart, well going to the Prime Minister.